Hello students, good evening. I hope all of you are well. So welcome to the e-learning class of IT. Today we will do the question answers because the chapter is completed, that is operating system and care, and that is basic ICT skills, where we have seen the operating system, about the operating system and care and maintenance of a computer, right? Okay, so today we will see the question answers. First we will see checkpoint. So all of you open your books. Uh, Page number 62, true false first. So I am telling you, all of you open your copy also, or you can open your books where I will where you can mark and write down these question answers in your copies. Okay, so first, true false, page number 62. Windows is a text based command line driven operating system. True. Number 2, Linux does not feature any central control as an operating system. That is also true. Number 3, Windows is a safer operating system than Ubuntu. False. Next, number 4, in Ubuntu, the activities overview provides access to various windows and applications. So that is true. Next, why is Ubuntu a safer operating system than Windows? So you can write, see the page number 58. That is here. Ubuntu is a safer operating system. From here you will write second point, page number 58. It is a safer operating system. This is because the user accounts within Ubuntu have far fewer permissions. Hence, it is difficult to execute malware or a virus within the operating system. Moreover, fewer malware are created against Ubuntu as the operating system is less popular than Windows. Okay, so this one will be the answer. Next, question number 2. List the primary directories organized in the standard Ubuntu directory structure. That you will see in the page number 59. You can see the primary directories. Page number 59, you see second last line. The primary directories here in Ubuntu 18.04.1 are /bin, /boot, /dev, /lib and /home. Okay, now page number 68, maintenance of computer. There you go, fill in the blanks. Page number 68, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a desk computer can be a desktop computer or a portable laptop. Answer will be personal. A personal computer can be a desktop computer or a portable laptop. Number 2, a computer virus is a type of malware. Number 3, a computer virus is often a fragment of dash. Answer will be code. Fragment of code inserted into a legitimate program. Number 4, the company Symantec manufactures the dash antivirus software. It will be Norton antivirus. Okay. First one will be personal, second number 2 malware, number 3 code, and number 4 Norton. Now come to the questions. Which activities can be performed as part of the daily maintenance of a computer? So go to the page number 64. That is daily maintenance. Here you can see. So question is what you should do, means which activities we can do daily maintenance, for the daily maintenance of a computer. So we can perform daily scans to locate and remove virus, adware or spyware from the computer, and delete temporary internet files along with temporary Windows files to take the load off the resources. Okay, so if we will do this thing, then we can prevent our computer from the virus. So next question, what is a malware? That is also on the same page, protecting computer against viruses. There you see, third line, a computer virus is a type of malware. So you will write, because the question is what is a malware, so you will write a malware is a type of virus commonly known to infect computers. On infecting a computer system, the virus can replicate itself to cause damage to the available data. Okay, so this one will be the answer of the number 2 question. Now you come to the challenge zone. Okay, challenge zone. First, MCQs. Number 1, the Windows operating system features a dash user interface. Answer will be graphical. 4 options are here: command line, graphical, manual, digital. Answer will be graphical. Number 2, the Linux dash is primarily responsible for all major activities of the operating system. 4 options: A kernel, B library, C application, D dialog box. Answer will be A kernel. Number 3, in Ubuntu, the dash provides a list of certain features associated with the available applications or files. So 4 options are here: menu bar, activities overview, quick list, system menu. Answer will be B, activities overview. Right? Now number 4, a file represents a set of data as created using a or an dash. 4 options are operating system, B library, C application, D menu. Answer will be C, application. Number 5, the file infector virus is also known as dash. 4 options: A parasitic virus, B macro virus, C memory virus, D polymorphic virus. Answer will be A, parasitic virus. Right? Number 5, the disk cleanup program and the disk defragmenter must be run once a dash day, month, year, okay. Next, come to the question answers. B, answer in brief. Why is Linux one of the most popular open source operating system? Yes, come to the page number 53. Why is Linux one of the most popular open source operating system? So you open the page number 53. Here you can see Linux operating system. There you see it is one of the most popular open source operating system because it is distributed freely worldwide under a general public license or GNU. As an operating system, Linux features no central control. Instead, it offers an open source core component, the kernel. Okay, so only up to here you have to write the answer. Next question, what does the start menu in Windows 10 help you to search? Start menu in Windows 10. What you are doing here? I think you can answer this with your own, because start menu means what? Where you can search and open the applications, right? Which is installed in your computer, and you can restart or shut down the computers, right? Okay, so come to the page number 56. Here you can see in taskbar, start button. Second line you see the start menu. From here you will write, the start menu helps a user to search and open the applications installed in a computer. It also allows the user to shut down or restart the computer and provides access to system settings too. Okay, now come to the next question, question number 3. What are the primary elements of the menu bar in the Ubuntu 18.04.1? Okay, so that is next page 57 you see in menu bar. Second line you see the primary elements of the menu bar include activities button, application menu, clock, calendar and appointments menu, and the system menu. Okay, only up to here. Actually these are the short questions. Okay, so come to the next question, number 4. What is the method of cleaning the monitor of a computer? How will you clean your computer monitor? So that is in page number 64 you come. Protecting computer. What is the question? What is the method of cleaning the monitor of a computer? Yes, page number 63. Cleaning the monitor. Okay, from here you have to write the answer. Cleaning the monitor. Next question. What can be done to operate against a sudden loss of data stored in a computer? In the same page, taking care of a computer. Okay, so this is very necessary to preserve the integrity of the data stored in it. So in case the computer suddenly stops working, or it may prevent one more accessing the saved data. If the computer never starts again, then data will be lost for permanent, isn't it? And this could be a very big loss, especially for large organizations which store sensitive data for their customers. So this is the way how will you save, or how will you how you can maintain to sudden loss of data stored in a computer. Okay, so that is in page number 63. Next is, what does a file infector virus do once it gets executed? So what you will do if once it gets executed, then because this is a file infector virus, and it damages all data. Okay, so come to the page number 65. Page number 65, file infector virus. So once executed, here you can see, also known as parasitic virus, its execution often goes unnoticed. So third point, once executed, the virus damages data but not the host system, which remains functional. Okay, that is not affected. Okay, so next question, answer in detail. Okay, today that's all. Next day we will see the next part, that is C, answer in detail. Okay, so these up to B question, part B, section B, answer in brief. Write these question answers in your copies. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.